Tempeh bacon, a tasty plant-based alternative. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to explore the phrases, tempeh bacon. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about plant-based alternatives, this video will give you insight into what tempeh bacon is and why it's becoming popular. So, let's get started. Let's begin by understanding tempeh. Tempeh is a traditional soy product originally from Indonesia. It's made from fermented soybeans and has a firm texture and nutty flavor. It's a protein-rich food and has become a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets due to its nutritional benefits. Now, let's talk about bacon. Bacon is a type of salt-cured pork that is popular in many cuisines around the world. It's known for its rich, savory flavor and crispy texture. However, bacon is not suitable for everyone, especially those following a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle. Combining the two brings us to tempeh bacon. Tempeh bacon is a plant-based alternative to traditional bacon. It's made by slicing tempeh into thin pieces and marinating it with a mixture of soy sauce, maple syrup, smoked paprika, and other spices to mimic the smoky, savory taste of bacon. Choosing tempeh bacon can be for various reasons. For those on a plant-based diet, it's an excellent way to enjoy the flavor of bacon without the meat. It's also cholesterol-free and contains healthy fiber and probiotics due to the fermentation process of tempeh. Tempeh bacon can be used just like traditional bacon. It's versatile and can be added to sandwiches, salads, or served as a side dish. It adds a smoky depth of flavor to any dish and is a healthy addition to your meals. That wraps up our discussion on tempeh bacon. We hope this video has been informative and given you a clear understanding of what tempeh bacon is and why it might be a great addition to your diet. If you're looking to explore more plant-based options, give tempeh bacon a try. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English learning content soon.